Hi, in this video we're going to find the area of a circle using its diameter. Now remember, the diameter of a circle is just a line that goes from one end of the circle to the opposite end through the centre of the circle. So that's a diameter, and we can see here that that diameter is the same as that length there, which is the side of the square, which is 18 centimetres. Now in the previous video we saw how to find the area of the circle using the radius. So remember, the radius of the circle is from the centre of the circle to the edge of the circle. And so we've got a radius r. And remember, the area was equal to pi, and I'll explain what pi means in a second, multiplied by the radius squared. And remember, pi is just a letter. It's a Greek letter, pi, that has the value 3.141 and lots more digits after it. So 3.141, etc. But your calculator should have the value of pi on it if you're using a scientific calculator. Now, here, we don't have the radius of the circle. We have the diameter of the circle, so the length from one end of the circle to the other. We just want the radius, and the radius would just be this portion here. Now, all we need to do is just halve the 18, because that's 18, this is 18, halve it to just get the radius, which is going to be 9 centimetres. So that's our r is equal to 9 centimetres. So we just substitute that into the formula. So the area will be equal to pi multiplied by the radius squared, so 9 squared. Remember, in algebra, when you have things next to each other like this, it means you multiply them together. So it means pi multiplied by r squared. So we've got pi multiplied by 9 squared. Now, if we do that on our calculator, we've got pi times by 9 squared. And that gives me, it says 81 pi on my calculator because it's trying to give the answer as a multiple of pi, some certain lots of pi, 81 lots of pi. But you want it to decimal because it wants it to one decimal place. So your calculator should have a button to convert it to a decimal. And I've got 254.5 and it's centimetres squared. So 254.5 centimetres squared is the answer.